Friends, welcome back. I Dr. Dinesh welcomes you all. In this video we will discuss about the best quality Q1 category journal for the multidisciplinary and interdisciplinary. May be possible you will get the journal that you are looking for. तो आपको जर्नल मिल सकता है जो आप जिस जर्नल की सर्च आउट कर रहे हैं. Friends, if you required journal, appropriate journal and fast publication journal for your research article or research area, पिंग मी थ्रू माई व्हाट्सअप ग्रुप. व्हाट्सअप नंबर आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा और स्क्रीन पर भी डिस्प्ले है. सो यू जस्ट पिंग मी थ्रू माई व्हाट्सअप एंड दिस इज अवर प्लेटफॉर्म, वेबसाइट प्लेटफॉर्म. दिस इज name is Apna Stop. Just explore this site on daily basis. So the URL is the apnastop.in. Here you will get the all the detailed information in very easy manner. So you will get the all the detail like the on conference, virtual conference, so many things are available. So explore this site very carefully. आपको यहाँ पर बहुत सारे कंटेंट्स मिलने वाले हैं जो आपके रिक्वायर्ड रहेंगे और इम्पोर्टेंट्स रहेंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल जितने भी अपकमिंग कॉन्फ्रेंसेस हैं, ACM, स्प्रिंगर, एल्सपियर और Scopus, SCI category journals, so all the things are you will get here. So just see and explore this particular site, and at the end you will also get the research tool video. So just see this tool and this video. So here you will get all the tools information related to the research. So don't forget to see this particular website. So explore this website on regular basis, and in this particular research art title you will get the different types of the subcategory like conference, journal, patent, copyright and book chapter. So if you are looking for the patent, ping me through my WhatsApp group. So definitely I would help you to do a patent for a particular topic. And copyright, if you are looking for the copyright, ping me through my WhatsApp group. So now let's move to the journal. So first category of the interdisciplinary journal, this is the platform Elsevier category journal. Elsevier is the very reputed platform to publish your research article across the globe. So the journal name is the Technovation, International Journal of the Technological Innovation, Entrepreneurship and Technology Management. So this is its name indicating this is a interdisciplinary journal. So as you can also find out the name of this journal, this is the interdisciplinary journal, encompasses all facts of the technological and innovation. So this is a very good opportunity to publish a research article at reputed platform. So explore this section very carefully for the research article topics. Impact factor is the 5.7 and the site score is the 11.5. Just click on the read more. Here you will get all the detailed information related to the topics and titles covered by this journal. वो कौन कौन से रिसर्च एरिया है जो इसमें हम रिसर्च आर्टिकल अपना पब्लिश कर सकते हैं, सबमिट कर सकते हैं. तो so this explore this section very carefully. Now how we will know about the indexing part, whether the journal related to Scopus or SCI category. Just click on the abstract indexing part, so it will be redirected to this particular site. So this journal comes under the category of the SCI category journal, Scopus category and many more indexing. So grab this golden opportunity to publish your research article. If you are looking for the appropriate and fast publication and free journal, ping me through my WhatsApp group. Next journal name is the Wiley Online Library. This is a very reputed publishers to publish your research article. The journal title is the Journal of Engineering Education. The journal impact factor 2.6, editorial board members name and all the things are given here. So explore this journal very carefully, and here you will have the tab home, about, contribute and browse. So if you want to know more about the published article, just click in this particular browse section, and if you want to know more about this journal, so just click on this particular about. Here you will get the all the related information about this particular journal. So if you want to know more about this particular journal, just click on overview, so it will be redirected to the overview section. Here you will find out about the journal indexing and about the journal. So explore this section and read out this section very carefully. Here you will get all the detailed information, and If you want to know more about the journal indexing, whether this journal related to Scopus, SCI and many more, you can see here this is a journal abstract and indexing info. So this journal comes under the very rich indexing and huge indexing part. You can see here this is a Scopus, SCI category journal and many more indexing. And how we will prepare our research article. So here at the right hand side you will see here the resources for the authors. So all the things are given here, so accordingly you have to create or you have to make your research article, and then after you can submit your research article to this journal. So grab this golden opportunity to publish your research article. Next one is the Wiley publication. This is also the Wiley publication journal, small. So this is about the research article and journal, and here we will in the similarly you can understand about this journal. Just click on the overview, so it will be redirected to the this particular section, aim and scope, what types of the papers and research article accepted and considered by this particular journal. So you can see here this is the aim and scope section. So if your research article and research area comes under this particular topics and title, you can submit your research article for the publication. And about the indexing, so you can see here this is the keywords. So if your research area comes under this type of the topics, you can submit your research article for the publication. Indexing, so this journal having the rich indexing. You can see here this is a very rich indexing of the journal, SCI, Scopus category and many more indexing, Web of Science. And how we will prepare our research article, just explore this section very carefully. Here you will get all the detailed information where in the detail. So this is how we can submit our research article. If you are new for this particular journal, so just you can register yourself and fill up your credentials so you can create your account. So friends, thank you for watching this video. अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। ऐसे ही आपको इम्पोर्टेंट वीडियो आपको डेली बेसिस पर मिलते रहेंगे। एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू know more about the journal on your research article or research area, ping me through my WhatsApp number. Thank you friends for watching this video.